Okay.
Today again here with Jababa,
Yeah.
Hamza and Sadiq Khan.
Yeah.
Jababa, what do you say about IUT girls?
IUT girls?
Yeah.
Okay. I think bring girls in IUT is somehow a good thing.
Good thing? How? It's
Yeah.
good thing.
Because most of the guys in IUT, they used to go to Banani and,
For what? For what?
and do some bad stuff.
Only
So-
banana.
no, no.
Baba.
Such examples are Hassan Baba
And some other.
and another one is Sadiq Khan
I'm not one of them.
No.
and the last one is
Sheikh. Usman.
Osman Khan.
Usman Khan. He's Usman Khan.
Yeah, okay.
And now what? They change themselves after girls. They
Yeah, I think so many guys have changed in IUT before. Some bullshit guys, they don't used to take shower. Alhamdulillah. But now because of girls, they used to
They
take.
are new
It's mean-
They
now.
used to take.
It
they
means
used to take
girls brought positive change in IUT. Yeah.
yeah, they used to take shower. They used to act like, big boys,
And they used to take
Yeah.
headphones in
Yeah,
their
big headphones and those stuff because they want to show off their skills.
Yeah.
So I think
And what about the crowd in the ground? There are a lot of girls.
Yeah,
and
you
boys.
saw last year in the football match there
And
was
you
no one.
scored two
There was
goals,
no one.
and
Yeah.
the girls were shouting that Yababa scored 2 goals
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
final.
yeah.
Oh,
I
what
think-
was your feeling? What was your feeling, Yalaba?
yeah, my opinion is very high, very high, because I see some girls beside me when I'm playing, then I will never get tired. So I think that is good.
Oh, it means
That
they
is
improved
good.
your stamina. Huh?
Yeah, they improve my.
That's why you scored 2 goals.
Yeah, that's why I score more than
After
two
that
goals.
match, did you receive any message from any girl?
Yeah, a lot of messages. on
Yeah,
Facebook.
of course, I received a lot of gifts.
A lot of followers on Instagram.
A lot of invitations I received from so many girls.
And a
They
lot
want
of
to go
private
out,
conversations.
Yeah, they want to go out with me and enjoy.
Oh,
And mostly they invite you for dinner to their homes.
But this is your mama. I don't use.
official, yeah, Baba.
Yeah, this is official young AB. I don't used to go out and do some bad stuff. So,
That's good, yeah,
Thank
Baba.
you.
Yeah,
yeah.
it means that girls are the gift of the God for IUT. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. By 2020, I think IUT will be much better. So many will
the
be
north
enjoying.
south. The north south, it was
Yeah.
better than north south.
Yeah, I think so.
And there will be too much girls after 2020.
Yeah.
Here with you, there will be girls. And
Yes, yeah, we will enjoy a lot. That time I'm in masters, inshallah, in IUT.
And where will you go, Yababa, after IUT?
Yeah, inshallah, I will go back to my country, Nigeria.
Wow.
I will try to do something more important for myself,
Oh,
Yeah.
it means you are going to
Yeah.
get
You are
married.
talking
Yeah.
about
Yeah.
marriage, huh?
such as married and getting
Walaikum
job.
assalam.
I think it's good for myself
That's good.
and
That's
for
good.
everyone here.
Yeah, Baba. Do you think there should be one swimming pool?
Yeah, I think if IUT provide one big swimming pool, it will be better for the girls
For girls and boys
and
both.
the boys. Yeah, for both. Because
how to swim.
there will be a lot of fun. I think so. Inshallah.
And no one will go to the fantasy water
Yeah,
kingdom.
no one will go to the water kingdom. No need
Yeah,
to.
Baba.
to kill
Say
your
something
money.
about Ramadan. Ramadan is
Ramzan
also-
is coming. Ramzan message. There should
I
be.
think this is a good idea to talk about Ramadan. So I think Ramadan is a very good for all the Muslims. It brings happiness, achievement, and other stuffs. If you have done something bad before, this is time for you to change your life.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Mashallah.
And you can do bad things after Ramadan.
No, you cannot. No, you cannot.
After iftar.
Yeah. After iftar, you can do so many things if you want. But
Like, what type of things you are
yeah,
talking
you
about?
can go to the girls' hostel if you like. It's available always, and you can take a lot of ganja if you want. I
Oh.
think that's good for health. I
Yeah, Baba.
think-
Yeah, Baba, do you think that Pakistani boys are there much flirting?
yeah,
They do
yeah,
flirt
yeah.
with.
I think Pakistani guys Actually, originally they are bullshit. Yeah, I think so.
No, they all are.
Yeah,
Most
and
of them are innocent.
in human relation, they are the best. I
They're,
like them. Yeah.
they're very social, yeah?
Yeah, they are very social. They know what they are doing, but they like girls too much, you know.
Yeah.
I know. Like Osman Khan, he told me he have 12 to 20 girls.
Oh!
So I think it's good to have so many girls. And
You know, he
Sadiq Khan here-
didn't explore this fact in front of us.
Yeah.
He just told you.
Yeah, he told me in private. Yeah. He
Oh.
told me in private.
When you have a private conversation with Usman Khan.
Yeah, sure. So many.
Do you have any girl from Pakistan in your Facebook friend list?
Yeah, I have
Gulpana.
I have one. I have one, but
She don't talk with you.
yeah, actually, she never replies. She only like my pictures on Facebook. Whenever I put a picture, she will write a lot. You like it?
Like she react. What reaction she do to give you?
Yeah.
Love reaction or some other?
Yeah, she used to give me so many reactions. If I look good, she would put love.
Wow.
If I look somehow middle good, she will put the like. And if I look very bad, she love. And
Wow.
so that's it.
And do you think that Pakistani girls are most beautiful girls?
Yeah, I cannot say most, but they are.
Talk something about couscous, ya Baba.
No, actually, I don't know what is couscous.
In your countries, you
Yeah, for us,
like kind of
couscous
food.
means it's a food that we used to eat.
For
Couscous
what?
means
Yeah.
it's just
For what?
sada. Yeah.
It's just a food.
So for what people eat couscous?
It's just food that we used to eat. Like it's very small, and just you should put your hot water after 3 or 4 minutes. It's finished.
So what's the benefit of eating couscous?
And the benefit of eating this couscous, you save time. One of the advantage to save time,
Yeah.
and the disadvantage is that you will not feel satisfied.
And yeah, you can
Oh.
increase the size of.
No.
Or your special
I
device.
I know what you mean, but
This
it's
is
not
not.
that.
This is not.
It's
This is not
that.
the fact.
Yeah,
Talk
it's
about
not.
that because everyone like that to.
You
increase
see
the
some
size of
girls
that.
there, they are moving.
Oh, they are waiting for the fishery, yeah, Baba.
Yeah, they are waiting for me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They want
I
to
know.
take autograph, yeah?
Yeah, no problem.
No problem. We will give.
We will catch
Yeah,
them.
sing a song in your language.
Actually, I don't know how to sing, but
Nigerian song.
Nigerian
we don't know
song.
what you are singing, but just sing.
Sing. What about you are going to America after going to Nigeria?
yeah, maybe inshallah we will try to see. Inshallah, we will try to do something.
Which club do you like, Barcelona or Real
No,
Madrid?
I like Manchester United.
Why? Why?
Manchester
What is
United.
the reason?
Manchester United is the best team. It's in my blood.
Oh.
Yeah, since I am 6, 7 years, I used to love Man United.
If you get chance to join Manchester
Yeah,
United, then
if I have chance to play in United team, inshallah I will try to play because I love Manchester United very much.
okay, yeah, but if
What
you,
about Messi? Do you like him?
Yeah, Messi actually is the best, but Ronaldo is also a genius. I
genius
can say
football
this,
player, yeah?
But Messi is more than,
Messi have sportsmanship. no?
yeah, it's more than just a genius, but he's naturally like that. So I think that's
Yeah, but if we will invite you in Pakistan for playing football, then will you come?
yeah, I will come, of course. I will come to Pakistan and enjoy so many things. Not
Because we
only-
are going to
not
open-
only football, I have to enjoy so many stuff over there. I think Pakistan is good.
Yeah,
As
yeah,
I
yeah.
saw it in the picture, as I see the people, I think Pakistan is very good.
Inshallah, we will invite you. Inshallah, we will
Yeah,
invite you.
inshallah. I
Okay,
will try to come.
I think it should be closed, yeah?
Okay, thank you.